So hello everyone and welcome on my new video, and in this video we will talk about 5 best music bots to add in your server. So without wasting time, let's start the video. After trying a lot of music bots, we find 5 best music bots for you, which is not premium, it's free. On number 5th we have Atom Music Bot. The amount of servers is hidden, but the ratings are good, and I personally use this bot and I love the voice. So on number 4 we have Musico Discord bot. I'm using this bot from a long time and it's still working good. So you can add it. On number 3 we have Milky Music bot. It's for the first time. I tried this bot today only, but it has a good music quality and the rating is also good, 4.71 with 15k servers. So you can try it. On number 2 we have Kiva Music bot with 4.4 rating and 16k Discord server, and I personally love the quality. And on number 1 we have Hade Music bot with 4.72 rating and 20k Discord server. I love this bot and the music quality is top notch. So you can add this bot on your server. All the bot links is in description. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel as 98.2% people didn't subscribe it, and I will add some alternative music bots links in description. So subscribe, like and share this video with your friends who owns Discord server and creating a Discord server. Thanks for watching.